I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Utoplike Bamboo Drawer Organizer. I consider myself an organization enthusiast, so when I saw this drawer divider, I was immediately drawn to it. And what caught my attention is the expandable design. I love that this organizer can be adjusted to fit various drawer sizes, which ensures that it's the perfect fit no matter where you put it, whether it's in the kitchen like I have, in the bedroom, or in the bathroom. What I also love is the eco-friendly design, and the bamboo material is a standout feature. I think that it is super durable, and it's just the excellent way to manage your clutter or declutter and organize your drawers. I use mine in my kitchen to organize my cutlery and kitchen utensils, and it has been excellent, an excellent choice for my home. And that's my point of view.